Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost savings with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover lost savings with Wells Fargo, start by gathering all relevant information related to your account. Locate any statements or documents that show your recent transactions. Visit the Wells Fargo website or download their mobile app for easier access. Log into your account using your online banking credentials. If you haven't set up online banking, take a moment to enroll using your account information. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Summaries section to review your current balances. Check for any discrepancies or missing amounts in your savings account. If you notice any issues, gather details such as the transaction dates and amounts. Next, call Wells Fargo's customer service at the number provided on their website. When you connect with a representative, explain your situation clearly and provide the details you have gathered. Ask the representative to assist you in locating your lost savings. They may guide you through additional steps, such as filing a dispute for any unauthorized transactions. Make sure to take notes during the conversation, including the representative's name and any reference numbers. If you prefer, visit a local Wells Fargo branch for in-person assistance with your account. Bring along your identification and any relevant documents when you visit the branch. Once you've submitted your inquiry, keep a close eye on your account for updates. Wells Fargo will typically follow up with you regarding the status of your query. If the issue is resolved in your favor, confirm that your savings have been restored. Should you still have concerns, consider escalating the matter by asking to speak with a supervisor. Stay persistent and patient throughout the recovery process. You can also check online forums or Wells Fargo's official page for additional support from other customers. Document everything, from conversations to email communications, for your records. Finally, once your savings are recovered, consider setting up account alerts to monitor future transactions closely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.